guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got an extra special treat for you guys. My house was completely trashed. I mean, it was so bad. I don't even know what happened. And it's honestly been a while since my house has actually looked this bad. I mean, my house gets messy, but this was pretty extreme. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me and give you guys some extreme cleaning motivation. And so I'll be focusing in most of my entire downstairs and just give it a really good cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video and it gives you some extreme cleaning motivation. But let's go ahead and jump right into it and get some things done.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So really quick, I just wanted to take a moment and introduce myself to anyone who is new to this channel. My name is Lauren and I am a mom of 2 boys. I've actually been on YouTube for quite some time now and I have a separate channel. It is going to be more geared towards like family vlogs. And I've been doing a lot of cleaning videos and I absolutely love them. So I thought I would just create a brand new channel and keep it separate. So this channel is going to be everything cleaning related. So your cleaning motivation, decorating, organizing, and all of that good stuff. So if you guys enjoy any of those types of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave here. I know you will truly enjoy what this channel has to offer. But let's just get back to cleaning.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't.
Okay, so now that this room is starting to feel a lot better, the toys were so bad and I eventually want to move some of the toys back upstairs so there isn't so much down here that the boys can actually make a mess with. And it's more convenient when they are down here, but it is a lot messier. So just out of curiosity, what do you guys usually do in your main living rooms? Do you have a bunch of toys in the room that's easily accessible, or how do you organize the toys in the main room? Like, I need some ideas. So let me know what you guys do down in the comments below. So as I'm putting Hungry Hippo away and you guys are already in the comments, let me know if you guys have any board game recommendations. Colton is absolutely loving them right now. He wants to play them every single day, which I absolutely love. It gets him out of front of the TV and we get to interact and play together. So I am always looking for recommendations to build our little board game collection. Let me know some of yours down below as well. So I had meant to do this when I got started, but now that I'm working my way towards the kitchen, I wanted to set up my diffuser. And the blend that I'm using right now is Stress Away, Orange, and Peppermint. And you guys, I am completely obsessed with it. It smells so good. When I found it on Pinterest, they called it a sugar cookie blend, and it does smell a lot like a sugar cookie, but better. It smells so good. I do this all the time. And anyways, moving into the kitchen now, I am going to start off with the dishes so I can clear off as much counter space as I could. I wanted to finish loading up the dishwasher and then putting the clean dishes out of the sink away. Usually when I go into the kitchen, the first thing that I like to do is just gather up all the dirty dishes, either load or unload the dishwasher. because once the dishes are out of the way, it's so much easier to clean the kitchen. So I don't know what it is, but this counter right here and the counter space next to the stove turns into this catch-all. And I mean, it catches everything. Books, toys, just your random knickknacks, that hat. Oh my goodness. Please tell me I'm not the only one that has this problem. But I definitely want to get in the better habit of a better routine where we just put things away and not let it sit there for long periods of time. It honestly just boils down to us being lazy or it being convenient, because we would be taking 1,000 trips up the stairs to put things away, and sometimes I just don't want to do it. But I definitely am going to try and make it a better habit not to do that. And yes, you do see that right. That is a Christmas popcorn bucket. Don't judge me. I don't know why it has taken me this long to throw it out. Like, I tasted the popcorn. I had a couple of days before this and it tasted fine, but looking at a Christmas popcorn bucket just kind of, can we just say ew? I don't know if I'm the only one. I probably am, but yeah, I don't know. It was just totally time to throw it out.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard.
So also, while I am finishing up washing these dishes, if you guys are looking for some extra cleaning motivation when you're done watching this one, I did also put up my clean and decorate with me for Valentine's. So you get all the cleaning motivation as well as some Valentine decoration ideas. Make sure to go check that out. Say hi in the comments. I will have it linked all down below for you guys.
And now I'm ready, taking over. 'Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
So today I am using my Thieves multi-purpose cleaner, and you guys, I am so loving this Thieves cleaner. I believe I ordered it on Black Friday and I've been using it since. I have not used anything else and I love it. So it smells so good. I did actually just get the 7th generation granite cleaner and that one also smells so good. So I will probably be alternating back and forth, but the Thieves cleaner I can basically use on everything. So anyways, that's what I'm using to clean off the counters and wipe everything down with.
No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya.
So we are a little over halfway through this video and I just wanted to check in with you guys and see how you are doing. If you're up and cleaning, that is awesome. If you haven't gotten started yet, I really encourage you guys to get up and get some things done, do a load of laundry, do a 10-minute power clean, you will feel so much better and so much more accomplished that you were able to get something done. And I actually got this idea from my friend Amy from Amy Fritz, and I absolutely loved it. I love that there was this encouragement right in the middle of the video, and so that's what I wanted to give you guys, just a little bit of push to get something done.
Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah. That's right. Y'all better watch out. NEFFEX is on the rise. Yeah.
Okay, so we are moving into the downstairs bathroom, and to be honest, you guys, this is actually the last room that I was able to get to. I will be vacuuming the entire downstairs afterwards, but I was so exhausted at this point. It had been a few hours of cleaning and I was so ready to be done, but I just pushed through it and got it done. But I am going to be going through and just giving the bathroom a really good cleaning the toilet, the sink, the mirror, the bathtub. But I also wanted to actually put up the bathroom shower curtain, and we have had it sitting underneath the bathroom sink since we moved into this house. And if you're new here, we actually just moved in here about maybe 3 months ago now. So we are still working on the little details and the little things that need to go up, like a shower curtain. So it was really nice to actually have this bathroom pretty much done. So I haven't honestly decided if I'm going to keep the curtain in here. I think it actually turned out okay. We've had this shower curtain for a long time, so I know eventually it's going to have to be replaced, but I will be changing things up just a little bit eventually. But it's just all going to come down to priorities and what I want to get done first. But stay tuned, you guys. I will be having a whole house tour up very, very soon, because we are very, very close in getting our whole house pretty much decorated to where it is really pretty close put together. So stay tuned for that, you guys. You're not gonna want to miss it, because I am loving how our house is coming together. But now I'm going to be running the vacuum through the family room, down the hallway, through the kitchen, and just really give it a really good vacuum. I did sweep the kitchen a few days before this, but anyone with kids knows that I might as well not have done it. They make crumbs like no other, so I have to pretty much sweep or vacuum on a daily basis in the kitchen, especially if I don't want to have the crumbs tracked around the rest of the entire house. It gets so bad sometimes. So just in case you guys were wondering where the boys were during this whole time, this whole cleaning process took me at least 2.5, maybe 3 hours. It took me forever. But luckily, Logan was upstairs napping and Chris happened to have been home this day, which probably played a huge part in why the house was such a mess, because usually when he's off, we are doing all sorts of things, running errands, and just we're super busy on his days off. So he was able to use this time to distract Colton and just keep him busy and just hanging out with him. So it was so nice having him there to do that, because usually it does not happen like this. I'm usually cleaning up in between interruptions. And last but not least, I just wanted to wipe down the entryway bench. It had been a while since I have been able to do this. And then I added this little heart pillow. If you guys think it looks familiar, yes, that is the pillow that was actually in our bedroom, and the boys are obsessed with it. They play with it all the time. So I decided to move it down here and just have it sitting on the entryway bench. But that is actually going to do it for today's video. I felt so good to have a really freshly cleaned house. The floors were vacuumed, everything was wiped down. So it was a very good feeling. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it gave you that extreme cleaning motivation to get some things done. Make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave here, and we will see you at our next video. Bye.